Welcome to HB classes. This is Ari Babu. We are solving the sums from the probability. Look at here. 3 coins are tossed. Write all the possible outcomes. Find the probability of getting it. Now when you toss one coin, how many possibilities are there? Either head or tail. Either head or tail. If 2 coins are tossed, it can come head tail, tail head, tail tail. These are 4 possibilities are there. If 1 coin is there, 2 possibility. 2 coin is there, 4 possibility. 3 coins are there, 8 possibilities. Now if you notice here, now I can write the formula as 2 raised to n. N I will write as a number of coins. Now if I consider for the 1 coin 2 raised to 1, that means 2 possibility. If I consider for the 2 coins 2 raised to 2, there is 4 possibility. If it is a 3 coins 2 raised to 3, that is 8 possibility. If 4 coins are there, 16. 5 coins are there, 32. But usually they don't ask in the board examination 4 coins or the 5 coins. Maximum they will ask 3 coins. Now here, this by using this formula also we can identify how many possibilities are there. How many possibilities are there? If 1 coin means 2 possibility. 2 coins means 4 possibility. 3 coins means 8 possibility. Now here, what I am going to do, I will just teach how to remember this order. How to remember this order. Now what I am going to do, I will just write like that. The first I am writing is all the heads. First I am writing all the heads. Now what I am going to do, I will take the 1 tail. So this tail I am keeping it to the center. That means the position I am moving left towards to the left. So heads, T heads. Then again this 2 will move to the one more position towards to the left. T heads. This is possible. Now next what I am going to do, I will keep 1 head, 2 tails. I will keep 1 head and 2 tails. This head I am rotating towards to the right hand side. So that means this place is moving to the next. Then it will get the THT. Next it will come as a TTH. Then at the last is all tails. So these are the 8 possibilities. Easy to remember. First keep it as all the head, last all the tail. So 1 T, take it this T, rotate it as a towards to the left. Then here you take it as a 1 head, rotate it towards to the right. Now we'll come to the question. What is the question says? So we need to find exactly 2 heads. Probability of exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads means only we have to look at from these outcomes only 2 heads. How many possibilities are there? Exactly 2 heads. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 possibilities. Exactly 2 heads. That means how many possibilities are there? 3 out of 8. 3 out of 8. The next one. Probability of at least 2 heads. Here question is exactly. Exactly means we are going to take only the 2 heads. Here at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means minimum should be 2 heads. Minimum should be 2 heads. Maximum can be anything. At least minimum should be 2 heads. Maximum can be anything. So can you tell me, so what is the possibility of count this? At least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means minimum 2 heads. Maximum can be anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because they said at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means minimum should be 2 heads. Maximum can be any number. So total how many possibilities are there? 4 out of 8. That is 1/2. Next one, probability of at most 2 heads. Probability of at most 2 heads. At most 2 heads means what? Maximum can be 2 heads. Minimum can be with head or without head. At most means maximum should be 2 heads. Maximum should be 2 heads. Minimum can be with head or without head. So that means what are the possibilities, sir? Except this. Maximum 2 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means what we are going to write here? Maximum, here it should be tail. It should be tail. So here is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You may can get doubt. Sir, here the question says at most 2 heads. Why we are considering as the tails? Because our question says maximum can be 2 head, minimum can be with head or without head also. So that means total possibilities is what? 7 out of 8. That means except this, remaining everything we have to consider. Even the head is there, head is not there, we are going to consider it. So next one, probability of all tails. Probability of all tails. All tails are how many are there? 1 is there out of 8. The last one, only 1 is there out of 8. Next one, probability of at least 1 tail. So at least 1 tail. So that means what? Minimum should be 1 tail. Minimum should be 1 tail. So that means how many possibilities are there? Except this, remaining every place at least one tail is there. Except this, remaining all the places at least 1 tail is there. So that is also 7 out of 8. 7 out of 8. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching.